What's up, guys? Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com. I just wanted to make a quick video noting that if you're interested in access to the Cabinet Essentials course, that lifetime offer is closing at 11:59 p.m. tonight. So the Cabinet Essentials course is actually something that I built because I needed it. So a lot of the time when I was working inside of SketchUp models, I didn't really have a very good process for creating the cabinets, which are like a huge part of the designs. And so I ended up repurposing 3D warehouse cabinets a lot, and I just kind of got to the point where I was like, this should be a lot easier. And so the Cabinet Essentials is my in-depth training that teaches you exactly how to work not only with cabinets, but also with interiors in general. So cabinets are huge in things like kitchens and baths and other spaces. They're really the building block around which you build the rest of the spaces. And so one of the things that always drove me crazy about cabinet modeling is it's just so repetitive, right? You have to do the same thing over and over and over again. And there's a lot of optimization that can go in to make you significantly faster. And that's what I built into this workflow. So inside of this course, you're going to learn things like, first off, the fundamental and modeling skills you need in SketchUp. So if you're a complete beginner, you're going to learn the skills that you need in order to model inside of SketchUp to create these cabinets. But we're also going to talk about different methods and tools for creating cabinets quickly. So everything from just like simply modeling the cabinet from the beginning, but then also ways that you can set the cabinets up so that they're fast, easy to adjust. And if you have to make changes, it's not a big deal. So it's massively faster than a regular cabinet modeling workflow. I also include some great tools. Like for example, I'm including my dynamic component libraries. So I've got a dynamic library of different components, specifically of cabinets, but you also get access to my doors and windows as well, that allow you to just drop these in place and then just resize them, and they'll automatically resize based on your use of the scale tool. So you can use it to really quickly size out your different designs and really do whatever you need from a cabinet modeling standpoint. And so in addition to the dynamic component library, I also have a full project in here because I like to show start to finish how to do things so that you understand the whole workflow. So I have a complete project start to finish where I show you exactly where to start, how to add the cabinets, how to set up all of your views, and then how to go into layout and actually create your plans, including your elevations, your floor plans, your sections, everything you need in order to be able to create great cabinet drawings is included inside of this course. So if that is something you're interested in, if you've kind of struggled with like the repetition of that and the fact that there's probably a better way to do it, in my opinion, this is the better way to do it. So if you do want to check that out, lifetime access is available through end of the day today at 11:59 p.m. So I'll link to that on this page. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.